Because the creation, that which God has made, it precedes everything else that we have garnered from the earth. So the earth belongs to him. So whatever we have reproduced, substance, that's from him. It is the result. The Hebrew word here, it came out of something. Came out of what? Came out of what God had already created. So when we're giving back substance, here's the misunderstanding. We think we're giving back to God. It says, honor the Lord with thy substance. So we should be giving back to God. We should be honoring God, giving back to him. And we think we're giving God something that belongs to us. And what God is really saying, hey, how about you give me a piece back of what I gave to you? You're the one that came to the table empty, not me. You're the one that came here without life, not me. You're the one that needs the earth, the ground, the surface, not me. The earth belongs to God, but he doesn't need it. You need it. I need it. The earth and all the things that we take for granted here in this creation belong to him. And notice, in that reference to the Psalms, it says that the fullness belongs to him. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. The fullness, the results, the substance, the fruit, it all belongs to him. So the teaching principle here is honor God with giving back our substance, the substance that already belongs to him. Now, here's what's crazy about this with those who want to argue. In verse 9, in chapter 3, it says, honor the Lord with thy substance and with the first fruit of all thine increase. Everybody say increase. See, increase. You can't have increase without having the original source to reproduce it from. So when we have increase, it's a sign, it's a symbol that you've made use of what God has made available to us. So we're working with resources that don't belong to us. Increase means to multiply or to add on. You can't multiply or add on unless something first already existed. Substance came from something. But here's the part that says crazy. See, we're arguing with giving back our substance, but look at this verse. Look at this verse. It says, verse 10, so shall thy barns be filled with plenty, and thy presses shall burst out with new wine. Your barns will be filled. You want to keep the barn filled? We have to learn how to give back our substance. You and I need to find opportunities to give back what God has given to us. We can give back by redistributing to someone else that we know has a need. We can give back to a person or an organization, a ministry, an outreach that is reaching people you cannot reach. We can give back by supporting your local church, your local parish, your local place of worship. You can give back God's substance. What he has given to you, you can find ways to give it back to the work of God. Now, I just gave you 3 examples right there. Someone that you know in need, and you see the need, and you have substance. You have substance, you have fruit. Learn how to give to someone else in need.